Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn in Videos. So this is the second lecture on C programming language. So let's start with this. If you have not watched the lecture 1, then you can check the playlist and watch it. So in the last class we had seen how to use printf statement and what is slash n and all. So in this today's tutorial videos we are going to see what is slash t, what is double slash, and what if we want to introduce double quotes in our program. Now in the previous video we had written three printf statement for printing hello world, I am learning C, and it is awesome. Now if you want, you can use a single printf statement and you can print that. So how you can do this? Just see. First we'll include the header files. Next I'm writing int main, opening the main flower bracket. Then I'm writing printf, opening the round bracket, double quotes, hello world. Then I'm inserting slash n. Slash n means it will go to the new line, and I'm continuing with I am learning C. Again slash n means it will come to the new line, and lastly I'm printing and it is awesome, and closing the double quotes, closing the round bracket, and semicolon close. Next I'm writing return 0, then I'm closing the main bracket. Now this program will give the output like this: hello world in the first line, next I am learning C in the second line, and it is awesome in the third line. Now this slash n is called as new line character. Okay, it comes under escape sequences. Further, we have a valid escape sequences. Now let us see this code. In place of slash n, if we write slash t, that will give an extra tab to the next printing line. Now if we see this output for this code, so we have written printf hello world slash t, means an extra tab will be given, and the next output which has to be displayed will be starting from a bit extra space. Now you can see the next line I have printed as I am learning C. Now let us run this code and check. So now this will be the output. As you can see, it has printed hello world, a tab, then it has printed I am learning C. Okay. Likewise, in your code, if you want a backslash, then what we can do? Now check this code where I'm writing printf statement hello world, sorry, and two backslashes. Now if I run this code, so this will be the output: hello world, a single backslash. Now imagine if you want double quotes for any name. For example, check this statement: int main, open the bracket, printf, open the round bracket, double quotes, they call him Ramu. Okay. Now if you want this Ramu in double quotes, now we'll run this code as it is and let us check what will be the output. Now this is the output for it. Now imagine if we want Ramu in double quotes, then how we should do? I'll write the next statement: printf, open the round bracket, double quotes, they call him, you write the same, backslash 1, put the double quotes, next put the name like whatever you want to display in double quotes. So in my case it is Ramu, then a backslash once again, then double quotes, dot, and lastly the double quotes for the starting element. Now you can see, now if I run this output, you can see Ramu is in double quotes. So these are called as escape sequence. So now in this tutorial we have studied what is slash n, what is slash t, and what is backslash, and how we can introduce double quotes to our code. So that's it for today, guys. Let us meet in the next lecture. If you have liked the content, if you have understood something, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next learning videos. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.